student, we are moving towards our next topic related to active and passive voice. That is, what are those changes that will happen when we convert an imperative sentence into passive voice. First, basically, we must know what basically an imperative sentence is. Imperative sentence is a sentence that expresses a command or an advice or a request. वो sentence जिसकी function wise वो एक command दे रहा हो, request कर रहा हो या advice कर रहा हो, उसको हम imperative sentence कहते हैं. Let's see some examples. Learn your lesson. It's an advice for someone. Open the door. A command. Help the poor. An advice. Please make me a cup of tea. That's a request. You see, ये सारे सेंटेंस हमेशा imperative sentence कहलाएंगे. अब changing imperative sentences into passive voice, imperative sentence does not have a known subject. Keep in mind कि imperative sentence में हमें कोई exact या direct subject नहीं दिया होता. It reflect a message conveyed to the listener. ये एक reflection होता है जब एक message हम किसी listener को देते हैं in the form of advice, request, command, order, or we can say it's a kind of a requesting to somebody else. The listener of the sentence is assumes to be subject. In imperative sentences, listener जो है ना वो assume किया जाता है कि वो subject है who is not directly mentioned, लेकिन वो directly mentioned नहीं होता sentence में. Hence, imperative sentences in passive voice do not have a mentioned subject in the sentence. इसी वजह से जब हम imperative sentences को passive voice में change करते हैं तो उसके लिए हमें एक mention subject की जरूरत नहीं होती. Now, basic rules. There are 3 basic rules to convert an imperative sentence into passive voice, from active to passive voice. The first is the imperative sentence in passive voice begin with let. All of the imperative sentences in passive voice begins with let. The second rule is the word be is used as an auxiliary verb in passive voice of imperative sentence. The word be is used, यानी कि be जो word है वो हमेशा as an auxiliary verb use किया जाएगा, passive as an helping verb use किया जाएगा imperative sentence को जब हम passive में convert करेंगे. The third and last rule is base form, यानी कि first form of the verb is converted into past participle, third form में convert की जाएगी for making passive voice of imperative sentence. Imperative sentence को passive में convert करने के लिए जो first form है उसको third form में convert किया जाएगा. Now let's read the following. Now let's these example for our better understanding. Finish the task. When we convert this sentence into passive, it will be let the task be finished. Open the door. Let the door be open. Wash the shirts. Let the shirts be washed. Help the children. Let the children be helped. Throw the ball. Let the ball be thrown. Collect nice book. Let nice book be collected. So students, I hope you understand the changes occur in imperative sentences while converting active to passive voice. Now moving towards our last topic, that sentences that cannot be changed into passive voice.